How you can get started with affiliate marketing with $15. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with affiliate marketing by spending just $15. Hi. My name is Money Counter, and in today's video I'm going to share with you one of the ways to do affiliate marketing. The easiest way that anyone can do affiliate marketing, and once it is set up, it is completely passive. It doesn't take much time or skill, but it will make you some extra cash on the side, so let me show you how. Step 1. Choose a niche that you know well. It could be anything from knitting gear, electronics, or coffee. But I would recommend choosing something simple and straightforward that you already are an expert on. To validate your choice of keywords, you can use a keyword planner to see that people search for it, and that it is not too high competition from other sites on it. Step 2. Buy a domain name for your website. First, we need to register a domain name. It can be hard to come up with a great domain name. We will choose to start a website on smart home appliances. So our best bet is to brainstorm and search for domain names that includes smart home. Right now, when we are making this video, the domain name www.smarthomepanda.com is available. We will now register this domain and buy the cheapest web hosting out there. Depending on where you are in the world, One.com, GoDaddy, or other hosting companies should offer you a good deal on web hosting plus domain name. And this will be under $15 for 12 months. Step 3. Create the website. Creating a website does not have to be hard, especially if you decide on using WordPress. Most hosting companies provide one-click installation for this software, and it's really simple to learn how to use the interface. Simply follow your hosting company's tutorials and you can have a decently looking website up in just a few minutes. For the design, WordPress offers thousands of free templates that you simply upload on your website. Step 4. Write content. Remember that we decided in Step 2 to make a site about smart home appliances. Now we start writing down everything we know about our niche. We could write guides on how to use smart home appliances, or about the best smart lights, Philips Hue, IKEA Tradfri, or some other brand of lights. Even a top 10 list comparison of our favorite smart home appliances. What type of content depends on the niche you choose. But make sure it is informative and written in a way that interests the reader. Step 5. Get the affiliate links. Now that we have a website with content on smart home appliances up and running, how do we make money on this? Here is where the affiliate marketing part comes in. Since we are writing about electronics, I will sign up to Amazon Affiliates. That way we can link all the products we write about and get a commission when someone reads our content and clicks our link to buy the product. But we are not done yet. Step 6. How do we get people to find our website? Now we just started this website, how will we get anyone to find our website? We have two different things we want to do now. Remember in Step 1 when we searched for keywords? We will use that and try to find good places to post our content, then link that back to our website. This could be BuzzFeed, Medium.com, or other websites that gives us an opportunity to guest post. The other thing we also will do is to go to Quora and Reddit and try to post our content as an answer to questions that already has been asked. This will make a small amount of people find our website. But it will mainly tell Google that this is a real site, and over the coming months Google will start to rank your website for your keywords. This is not a quick fix or something that will make you money overnight. This requires some hard work for a few days, and patience to let Google find and index your website. But after that, income is as passive as it gets. And you can earn everything from $50 to $20,000 per month depending on what niche you choose and how well you rank on Google. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for other topics or want more in-depth descriptions on something, leave a comment below.